Welcome. If you want to stay updated every time someone mentions you on Pinterest, you'll want to enable in-app notifications for mentions, especially with the latest update that makes it easier than ever on your PC. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on these notifications so you never miss an important mention. First, open your favorite browser and head over to Pinterest.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the left side of your Pinterest homepage. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon and is your gateway to customizing your Pinterest experience. After clicking Settings, you'll be taken to a new page. Here, look for the Notifications option in the menu. Click on it to access all your notification preferences. This section lets you control how Pinterest keeps you informed about activities related to your account, including mentions, comments, and more. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Pins you saved. Under this section, you'll see an option called Mentions. Click on Mentions to open up the notification settings specifically for when someone mentions you in a pin you've saved. Inside the Mentions settings, you'll see different ways Pinterest can notify you. Look for the option labeled In-App. Toggle this switch to enable in-app notifications. This means you'll receive alerts directly within Pinterest whenever someone mentions you, helping you stay engaged and respond quickly. Once you've enabled in-app notifications, don't forget the final step: click Save. This will make sure all your changes are applied and you're set to receive notifications from mentions right inside Pinterest. And that's it. You've now successfully allowed in-app notifications for mentions on Pinterest using your PC. With these settings, you'll always be in the loop when someone tags you or talks about your pins. Enjoy a more connected Pinterest experience and never miss a mention again.